Aigbe, so you be really dey cheat on your husband before, and when your husband talk and everybody say na lie. Mercy Aigbe no dey cheat. My people, this one shock me. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. This video wey me I see just now shockalize me, like seriously. It shocked me to my boomerang. Like I was like, hey, this life no balance. Oh, this life no balance, my people. See, Mercy Aigbe wey we dey feel say na Alpha and Omega. My people, oh, una know Mercy Aigbe na Nollywood actress. She dey always dey act Yoruba film. So I know many of una go know Mercy Aigbe now. When the husband beat am that time, he beat am, he had come the red, una remember. So my people, una know say wetin make am beat am that time, he say they cheat on her. Na wetin happen that time, my people. Una lis ten o. This life sometimes, all those Nollywood actresses, I no go dey believe them again. I no go dey believe them again because they too dey lie. They lie too much, my people. They lie, not be small. Wetin happen be say this Mercy Aigbe, when the husband beat am that time, she talk say her husband beat am because say him dey cheat on her. I say why him go cheat on the husband? God forbid. She can never do that kind of a thing. They no get shame as you see them. Shame they no get, my people. He say God forbid, he can never cheat on the husband. Why him go do that kind of thing? And wetin Mercy Aigbe make us believe that time. People come dey insult your husband. Say how you go beat woman like that? He hair come dey red. No be small thing. I even be think say enemy go pay me that time say because the beating was really too much. Like seriously. So my ogbonge people, why me come dey do this video now? Be say una remember say e get one picture when I go post, when I go put. Una go see where your husband and this man na their family friend. This man and the wife and Mercy Aigbe and the ex-husband, all of the snap picture together. All of the snap picture together. I go still put on, I go see him. Many of una go remember the ex-husband. I go still write am for them and see him. So Mercy Aigbe, wetin come shocktalize everybody today. Now we be say a topic now come start for everywhere now, my people. Even Instagram don catch fire because of Mercy Aigbe. So now we can see say nah, and that same man, now your husband they suspect him for that time because now your husband best friend. Una understand? But Mercy Aigbe deny that time, say nothing like that. Una listen o. So now Mercy Aigbe now, him with the man don't do the thing secret now. Now they can't do and come out now. Mercy Aigbe they date that man. Not be even dating. The date itself don't even pass Joromi. The way me they look am now, the thing itself now even marriage now. Mercy Aigbe now they call herself Aja now. If you see the picture where two of them call the snap, now not go there. Oh. My people low. Now your husband come right say he no fair tell una that time say he dey cheat, but una say na lie. Say una not believe am when he talk am that time. Oh, my brother, no verse because we the thing surprise us now that time. Una understand? As I dey talk to una now, Mercy Aigbe and that man, they dey together right now, my people. So una want tell me say now this relationship start. It don't start since you don't tell whether they cheat on your husband. This life no balance. So why this Nollywood actress? Waiting me one ask now. Why it be say they not get shame? Let me not understand. Why it be say they shameless? Like they don't get shame, and if they do the thing, they don't care. Now that one they surprise me. As you just see all of them, I saw that they snatch people's husband. I don't know why. Okay, the question where people come they ask now be say, where the man wife now? The man wife don't me a bitch. She know if the man don't drive him. Now everybody come they ask now because the man get wife. When Instagram comes to the post now be say the son resemble that man. So that ex-husband have to do DNA test to know whether na he even born that pikin. Hey, wahala be like bicycle. Wahala be like bicycle, my people. No be small thing. No be small thing I dey tell una. So like the thing shocktalize everybody. This life no balance. So I dey always dey talk and say no be say the life no balance. The people wey dey na no balance, my people. As I see this video today, the thing shocktalize me. Oh, I fear or no fear Mercy Aigbe. Oh, I fear or no fear Rambo. I never see this kind thing before, my people. Things dey this life. Oh, things dey this world. Things dey happen, my people. Things dey happen. So Mercy Aigbe dey cheat on the husband that time. Now him we come dey feel say na lie your husband dey talk that time. I'm not surprised because na so all of una be. Stella Damascus that time unko. In your best friend husband not be still carry that time. I don't know why all of una be like this. Even that girl wey married cheat that time unko. Is he carry a colleague husband? He carry a put for house. What about Ikiru Stevanos? Oge Okoye snatch him man, he marry him. Why all of una they do like this? Why be say una they snatch each other husband? Why? I don't understand. Una wey be celebrity wey suppose make the evil the shame. Now una come dey shameless past. I don't want to surprise me inside. Now una not the shame at all. Why? My people, I said the matter, you just get as it be like the matter guy today. Your own husband, best friend. When your husband don't they talk, since say you they cheat on, and nobody believe him. The same man. Now it's 12 now they draw each other, now they wear the same clothes, they kiss, they do everything. Not be small to you, not be small love 12 that they do, my people. Not when Musa no go see for gate or Mercy Aigbe. Now so you be. Because that Aigbe na Benin name. This Mercy na Benin person. No. Ebe na Yoruba, na for grow. Benin people not they do like this, Go they cheat on your husband. Now wow, my people. As you just see, they want to go shame, they their eye. Once you go shame, the day where they born, the shame disappear that day. They no get shame. They can do anything where they like. So the ex-husband, my advice to you, go and do DNA test for those children. Because this woman now, it don't dey obvious now, say, everybody does see what they happen now, say, they cheat on you that time. So you better go do DNA test for that your son to know whether now you really born that pikin. If not, wahala will be like bicycle. May you not go to train another person pikin, and let that advice I just get for you because that pikin, it will resemble that man. It will resemble him. I will put some more see my darling people. So anything you want to think about this video, more leave in a comment for the comment section. I will still come for part 2. Bye.